In this video tutorial, you will learn how to get perfect smooth lines using Smooth tool in Adobe Illustrator and also without using the Smooth tool. If you are struggling with making smooth lines in Adobe Illustrator, you should definitely watch this tutorial till the end. To begin, open your document in Adobe Illustrator and locate the toolbar on the left of the screen. A variety of different tools will be displayed, but for creating smooth lines, choose either the pen tool, curvature tool, paintbrush tool, or pencil tool. Now create anything you want. If you are using paintbrush tool, then you can double click on this tool in the tool panel and you will get the paintbrush tool options panel. From here you can adjust the amount of the smoothness you want to achieve. You can play around with this setting to get the right amount of smoothness for your liking. You can drag the slider to the maximum setting when you go for maximum smoothness. Now click OK and see how smooth you can go. No stable mouse is compulsory. For those of you who like to use the pencil tool instead of the paintbrush tool, the pencil tool also has the same options. Another option is to use the smooth tool in Adobe Illustrator. The important thing to remember is that the smooth tool is a great way to smooth out an edge or path that you have already created. I will show you how it works. In this case, I am using the pen tool. Now click separately in the direction you want your path to follow when using the pen tool. Note that when using the pen tool, the first part of the drawn segment would not appear until you create a second anchor point. As you can see, these lines are not smooth and I want to smooth these paths and edges. Smooth lines do not have a sudden breaks, turns and roughness. There is no sudden change in the speed or direction of those lines. To look like a professional graphic designer, you must know all the settings and customization that will help you design perfectly smooth lines. Once you have your line drawn, select it using the selection tool at the top left of the toolbox. Now if you are using Essential Workspace, then Smooth tool is not on the default toolbar. You can quickly set it up from the Edit Toolbar menu at the bottom of the toolbar. Click the Edit Toolbar at the bottom of the tool panel. Under Draw section, you can find the Smooth tool. The Smooth tool looks like this. You can also switch to List View to easily find the Smooth tool. Find the Smooth tool, click and drag it to anywhere you want in the toolbar. Now you have a Smooth tool in your toolbar. But if you are using Essential Classic Workspace, then you can easily find the Smooth tool by right-clicking on the Shaper tool icon. Now select the line and choose the Smooth tool. Now with your path still selected, click and drag across the rough lines and edges multiple times where you want to smooth the path. For best results, try pressing Ctrl++ to zoom in as much as you can when you click and draw. Remember to hold your mouse left click while drawing. You will see the anchor points changing as you draw over. You can draw over the same spot multiple times until you get the smooth result that you want. If the tool is either too weak or too strong, just double click on the Smooth tool icon to open the Smooth tool options panel. Just like paintbrush tool and pencil tool, the Smooth tool has fidelity options of its own. Now change the fidelity option in the pop-up box to increase or decrease its strength. Another way of achieving smooth lines in Adobe Illustrator without using the Smooth tool is by selecting your line and going to Object menu and Path and then Simplify. The Simplify pop-up options will appear, which you can drag down to your liking to simplify your path. In the case of unsteady lines, simplifying the path will make them smoother. You can adjust this option manually or click on the A icon displayed next to an arc shape in the pop-up box to simplify your path automatically. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to get perfect smooth lines in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. That's all in our part 55 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Easy Guide official YouTube channel if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 56.